Hey guys, what's happening? How to combine multiple PDF files in Bluebeam Revu 21, excuse me. So first of all, go ahead to the file and click combine. Okay, at the top right here, let me zoom in so you can see it. Right here, combine. Next, what you're gonna do, from here you can add the files you want to combine. Okay, select the files right here, let's say a couple files right here, and then hit OK. Step 3, you can add your files and set different options to include bookmarks, use file name as page label, include file attachments, merge document properties, and or merge layers, and then click OK, and the document is created. Okay, you can see it right here. Right, you can see your document named as document 1 by default, and your individual drawings in the thumbnails panel right here. Okay, and you can also toggle between different documents from the navigation bar below your workspace right here, right? Or you can see it right here. You can also use Window Explorer to convert and combine files with Bluebeam Stapler application. Okay, so go into Windows Explorer and select the first file, which is Word document, and hold down that CTRL or CTRL key so you can make multiple selections for the second file, which is Excel, an Excel spreadsheet, and the third file, which is already a PDF, right? And you can also combine the files, okay, in Revu by pressing it right here and clicking the, of course, beforehand, click the right mouse. So basically, that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.